friends. It's Tracey and Maze from Nova Scotia Living. I just woke him up and drug his arse out of bed and come downstairs. I checked online and school's cancelled. Oh, I had a rough morning anyways. My alarm didn't go off. I got up and went to the washroom, came back and checked my phone. My phone was dead. It was plugged in, but it must have been plugged in all the way. So I plug it in, start it up. It was 6:43. So I get up, I come downstairs just to check the fire and stuff, and then I go up to get Maze, and then come back down and check my phone, and school's canceled. I could have left his sleepy head in bed, but he doesn't want to go back to bed now because it's always exciting to have a school day. I have not had a coffee yet. I'm going to go have a coffee, then I'll get Boris, and we'll just let the rest of the kids. I wasn't expecting it because it's not stormy, it's cold outside. And but the icy roads, a snowplow went off the road here in our neighborhood yesterday. It's ice, it's not snow. So yeah, first school closure cancellation of this school season. All right, I have my coffee. There's Maze's hockey stick, but the upstairs bathroom's out of toilet paper, so when I go up, I have it here so I don't forget about it. First, what are you eating? What is that? Piece of... Get out! No! No. Oh, gosh. God. Leave it to him to find some old piece of bread or something. I don't know what it is, so he's not having it. Gosh, darn it. He's having a good old whiff. His morning walk, sometimes when it's nice out, I'm still not up to going for like super hard walks. Well, my walks aren't hard anyways, but I just let him check out the news. It's like going around the water cooler at an office building. Just sniff who's been by, who marked what, what's what. Not in any big rush. I'll feed all my feathered and furry friends when I get back. But yeah, warm days are the best days. I know when I was younger, like in school, well, there wasn't internet. There wasn't even internet, but so we'd have to listen to the radio, the local radio, to see if school's canceled. And it'd still be dark out, and you'd still be in your nightie, and it'd be cold, but the furnace is pumping up through the radiator, or the register, or whatever. And when the songs would play, and eventually it'd get to like the newscasters, and it would rattle off, you know, the counties that school's canceled, and it would say yours. It would be like the best feeling ever. There's a big snowplow going down that hill over there. I don't know if you can see the lights. Anyways, these days there's the internet, so you can just look online. I just never thought to look this morning because it wasn't a snowstorm, but what? Okay, I'm gonna tie him up out here, and I'll go get my seed bucket and stuff. I haven't seen Randall. I don't see anybody, honestly. Eh? I haven't seen Randall. He's way up there. Just one of them. He's way up there waiting to give the signal to his friends. Yes, I do know. Oh, he's just doing the other side of that road. Okay. You do your thing, chicken wing. See some feathers here. There's a bunch of... You guys better not have been fighting. There goes another plow. No fighting. There. Oh, I heard me talking about it. It's coming back to confront me. I'm sorry, Mr. Snowplow. You're doing a good job. All right, I'm going to drop the seed. Oh, is he coming? I think he's going to come down our road. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Hi, baby. Oh, it's still working over there. I threw some leftover popcorn and left... Oh, there you are. There's some seed there you guys can eat, you little teeny tiny things. Oh, I just need to do over around the tree. Oh, What is it doing? Oh, there's a blue jay. No, he's just focusing on that corner. Randall, there's some rice there on the garbage bin for you if you want that. Oh, there's a whole bunch of little baby chickadees or whatever over there. There's a blue jay. I need to get my compost bowl and popcorn bag there. And then I gotta get my little muffin stuff. I'm just getting my stuff on the picnic table. Everybody be cool. This is a robbery. Any of you mother flipping move. Oh, I was gonna quote Pulp Fiction, but it's not appropriate with these little beautiful babies. Any of you freaking move. I'm gonna execute every mother freaking one of you. But not really, you guys. It's just a movie quote. He's finally going by. See you later, big boy. There he goes, Boris. All right, it's 8:06 in the morning. We brought down the Christmas tree last night. I didn't, but that's our Christmas tree, and I've had it for like 20 years. Or we bought it when we lived in the city, like over the... gosh. Yeah, probably around 20 years. It's one that you got to put each branch on. Oh, look at the Enid, Penelope, Finnegan, Ginger, Rosie, and Wallace. Well, I got to move Francis. Oh, and this is hung up. It's an old felt Christmas tree where the decorations can come off. It's just felt and Velcro. Oh, we decorated our own Christmas tree with homemade ornaments. We thought it was looking pretty good, but the more the merrier. I don't know if you can see that, the lighting. There. Let me see if I can turn my flash on. Oh, well, there you can see it a little better. Cute. Now I gotta open the blinds without knocking these fellers off. And I was gonna move Francis because I thought I'd set up the tree today. Not decorate it, but set it up. And just put the lights on it and the garland. If it's garlands in the box. I don't know. I just pulled that up and I scared all the birds.
What a sweet
From the chandelier.
home.
It's a good thing you're on rollerblades. I'm gonna put it right here.
I can push it. Oh my god, I don't want to touch them. Or just lift it.
Okay. It's alright.
Don't
Dogs
touch
don't
it.
affect it.
Yeah, but what if you touch it like feet?
Get the tongs. Oh, we moved Francis, but Ginger fell off. Boris, don't you dare. Don't you dare touch him. We're getting some tongs so we can pick him up. Oh, Finnegan's over there too, Maze. Finnegan. He's over by the window on the floor. This is a disaster. Disaster.
Gum!
Get Finnegan and just put him on the tree.
Oh,
It's all right.
so
Just throw him on there wherever you can get him. Oh, Boris, it's exciting, isn't it? You got the whole front window. You got the whole front window. I know it's very exciting. My little baby is excited because it's a storm day and it's Christmas. You get Ginger, good. Excellent.
I touched them.
That's all right, just pick it.
No, I need to get the tool.
Well, I don't want sugar on my floor.
Well, I don't know where to go.
Well, I'll put her on the tree and then you can sprinkle a little sugar. Then you can sprinkle a little sugar. See, not for you, Boris. You old so-and-so. There, just sprinkle a tiny dash on her there and she'll come back to life. Oh, thank goodness. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna lay down a tablecloth on this floor. So you can put that there. We need to get the stand. I think it's in that box, hopefully, or it's still back up in the attic. But when we take the branches out, so old, it always sheds a whole bunch of those little green things. And I'm forever vacuuming them up, even in the spring. So I thought this will counteract it a bit. I'll get the box in here.
I will help.
Well, you got friggin' rollerblades.
I am speed. Just let me go.
Okay, push it. He's got it. It's kind of hard, isn't it?
No. Nothing
Put it
at
in
all.
front of the cozy. Okay, stop. Please let this stand here.
Oh, my toesy woesies all broken nosies.
Oh, I don't know. It might still be up in the attic.
Wait a minute, let me see the bottom.
Well, no, we're going to take it out strategically.
Branch by branch.
No, I have them in bunches.
Oh,
So, all, like they used to have stickers on them.
they do
All of these going this way, all of those going that way. Put them in a pile. No, wait.
Oh,
See, this is all in a bag, so this is all one.
this is all one. This way.
Oh, I think the stand must still be up in the attic.
Yeah, it has oh, wait, this. Oh no, that's just the top.
That's the top. Okay.
I can.
Well,
I'm gonna take these off and look for that stand. Okay.
okay. Ooh, baby. I just tore my attic apart and I have a whole bunch of stuff downstairs on the landing to get rid of. But I mother flippin' found my mother flippin' Christmas tree stand. Finally. I've been up here an hour, honestly. I was looking on Facebook Marketplace. I'm like, tomorrow Boris has his hair appointment. I'll just buy another one from, somebody. Found one. I didn't message them, but I was like, I can't believe. There's no way I would have thrown this out. But I just found it now. But I think I got 3 bags of garbage, 2 things of donation, and 2 or 3 things of donation. And an old rocking chair that needs to be gone. And Thursday is garbage day, so... Oh, gosh. Was not expecting to be doing this morning. It's only like 9:30 now. Okay. I put everything in the truck. I'm going to sit down and have a break for a minute. Have some water, have my puffers. And that bloody thing, I'm going to make sure I staple it to that friggin' box next year. Oh, yeah, tomorrow Boris has a salon appointment, so I have it all in the front seat of the truck there. There's that extra saucer thing I got for Reagan when he was here. Maverick's too big for that. There's old winter jackets that the kids, they don't wear. Some boots. A few things of Marquise's clothes I know he's never going to wear. Yes. Okay. We're good. Let's just, let's just collect ourselves. I was just going to catch you doing your hockey stuff. You're zipping around here like nobody's business, doing different exercises. Jeepers. Between the roller skates and the roller blades, he switches. And he's doing this all morning, watching hockey and watching different things. I do not have the energy for that. Oh gosh, okay. I'll get Maze to do a lot of this. Misha's not up, but We gotta find the biggest ones, go on the bottom. Let's get this mother flipping. I don't know why it was where it was. I must got borrowers in my house. I swear to goodness. Oh, there goes Jessica. She just ran behind the truck. There. Hip hip hooray. We're not decorating today. We're just setting it up. Yeah, the elves did that. This one's going in the bottom.
Actually, I think the biggest one goes on the top.
Yeah. Those are probably the biggest ones in there, I think. What is this one? These are the number 3.
Number 3 is here.
Okay. Here. This is number 4. These are big ones. Remember. It even says on the pole anymore. 7. Oh, black. There's the blue, so that one. Nothing like putting the tree together branch by branch.
Nothing like it.
Oh, that's it. It's gonna look so sad before you pop it out.
I know. This was 4, or whatever. I'm missing some. We'll find it. We'll find it. Silver. But the numbers on legible.
I think it's 649. Is this one?
It's probably that one. This is the white.
What number?
4. Well, it must be this, 'cause that was 43. I think I have one straggle branch upstairs too, but it's a small one. So maybe it's number 1. But that front seat of the truck, I have that extra saucer that I got from Reagan. I'm going to donate tomorrow, and a few other things. So,
Mine looks too big.
yeah, you might play with it, but I'm not going to keep that big old thing. You know. You know, having a tree in the house is a pagan celebration.
Put this
What's the color down at the bottom?
red.
Red. So, no, that's green. It's probably down lower.
Yeah, it's red.
The one, yeah.
Help me.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't know.
I'm going to go up and get that other straggle one, because I know it's a little one now. Yeah, this is a tiny one.
Oh
It must be. This doesn't even feel like. Maybe it's not even for this tree. It seems smaller. Like
Probably for the other tree.
the other one comes apart in 3. We'll see. Maybe you can do the bottom one. It's probably.
That's for me to do.
Behind you. No. Those ones.
Oh, these are the way bottom ones?
Well, I think they're the purple. What color? This is red. Oh, and this was doing red. I'll finish it. Why did I just see red?
Right there.
Okay.
It's not the one purple, so.
I do the tiniest ones.
I remember missing a couple last year.
Probably.
I don't know. Maybe they just disintegrated.
The asbestos got to them.
Oh, this is a blue one.
This doesn't trade.
No.
This red one.
Okay.
'Cause I have the.
You have them all?
I have all the other ones.
Here's
Twist it.
just a second. I gotta put this. Can you put that right there? And then I'll twist it. Oh, my back. What are those? Red ones still.
Yeah, there's missing red ones.
No, this is still here.
There's one.
This is a, I don't know, probably a bottom.
If you're missing it, then put it there. That's a bottom one.
But still, every single one of those, so.
Oh. Well, it might be a blue. This might be a blue one because this is smaller than that, and blue is missing one. Okay. Oh, God. I gotta sit down. I got pneumonia. Oh. I'll wait till Misha gets up and she can help Fluff because she'll be upset that she didn't do this.
Mm-hmm.
Merry Chrome Mace.
Crumple, double.
Oh!
The beta had to trade. Go
Piggy Piggy.
Why didn't we put down the skirt first?
We usually put that last. After I sweep and everything. Because once we fluff it, there's going to be a million of those things.
What are the tree skirts even for?
I don't know, to make it look nice.
So another purple, blue,
No.
blue missing couple.
Well, it's all right. We'll just put that in the back. You know what I mean? Before you get on the carpet, stand up and brush your pants off. Because all those little dang things. Shirt and pants off. Thank you. We'll be backing them up by next summer. Perfect.
Oh, please.
Well, that's a big job done, huh? Not too shabby. That was a whole lot of effort. Oh. Is that better? Okay, so this is just one of my tablecloths. I will wash it, but I'm going to leave it here. This needs to be fluffed, but I'm going to wait for Misha to get up, or Zaya when she comes down, if she wants to do any of it. So what we'll do today is get it fluffed and get the lights. The lights are in here. And the garland on, and we'll decorate it this weekend sometime, but at least this can go back up in the attic empty. And I'm slowly catching up to my Christmas stuff. So today is December 10th. We'll decorate it. It's my husband's birthday this coming Saturday, I think, so I don't know if he'll want to do it that day or we'll do it Friday. I'll call Dad to see if he'll come out. But at least this part will be assembled. He was just banging his tail on the floor. Was trying to catch him. The one desire, believe. I have this out so it catches some of the ones. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Yeah. And it still looks funny once they're all fluffed out. Once it gets all filled up with the lights and the decorations, you know?
Yeah.
It's not so bad. I got things up, just get dressed, and I check Facebook, and I see school's canceled. I could have let them sleep, but and I had the hell of a time finding the base for this Christmas tree. But I tore the attic apart. There's like that old exerciser that I got ragging, and some of my old stuff, and Marquise's old stuff. What? No. And Boris has a hair pump too, so I was gonna donate it. This tree is older than you are. So it looks like it's disintegrating after every Christmas. Bit by bit. I don't know, salt dough ornaments.
What? Salt dough?
Yeah, and dry them and paint them.
Oh.
I remember to put a little hole in the top of them so you can string it. Granny and Papa would like something like that. That's something maybe Marquise and Kara could bring back with them. I can't bring back big things, so I'm not gonna have room. You know?
Yeah. And if you're done right by for Christmas, then that's okay. But if you have like room or something, you could get some yarn for me.
Yeah.
But
Like
not
that? Like the stuff you have out there?
Yeah.
That big kind?
And you shouldn't get it from Dollarama because they don't have the size of cooking collars. Like
Oh, yeah.
they probably not get.
Where did that come from? A big dump? Any color that you might like? I'm not saying, but I know Dad will probably like it.
What's salt?
I think it's just flour and salt. We can look it up. It's really basic.
Well,
You gotta let it dry though.
yeah.
Like make it one day. I think we have Christmas cookie cutters. Cut them into a shape.
Yeah.
And then you got paint. You can paint them.
There's a girl on
We did that before when you guys were little.
There's a girl on TikTok that said you could like clay out of it, but I think it's just salt dough because it was flour and salt and water.
I'll put it in the oven. Help decorate it. Maybe we'll put the star on again like we did last time. I thought it was so cute. I don't know, the star on. I don't know. You're almost as tall as me.
Well, I can't get to the top.
You gotta plug them in to make sure they work.
You there like an extension cord? Or
Yes, I do have that. We gotta make sure that we put it in correctly because that works, okay? I'll give you these ones.
Is anybody gonna have lemonade?
I don't want any.
Okay. I'm gonna pour the brisket in some.
Okay. Check these ones.
No.
Okay.
I think that's
So what we have to do is make sure that we have this that
this
goes
is like
there.
the light extension cord, you know?
Yes, but we need to make sure yeah, that'll go up at the top.
This one?
Well, yeah, because let me think. The star needs to plug in too. You know what I mean? So
yeah,
this
but that
has,
means the last of this will be for this. You can plug in the star too.
I would imagine you would, and then I'd
Like you wrap
That's
it
true.
around and then put that like somewhere up there.
I'll just double check the star. Yeah, the star has the prong thing. Okay. So I need to pull this out a bit because I need to get behind it. Let's see this.
So we're starting at the top.
That's what I usually do.
Is that you?
Yeah. You reached the, all right. Let's see. Please work. Oh,
Walking all the way.
yeah. That's perfect, Mish. I think we did a good job. Now you can adjust it wherever you think, but I think it looks good. Excellent. Now we just need to do the tinsel, the girdle. Or says it's nice too. One great big one.
I think so. There's one up. Whoa. I think it's tied together.
It might be.
No, over there. See now?
Oh yes, yes it is.
Are we starting from the top again?
Yeah, start in the back. Danko Mothies. Watch out, because I need a bat or a sweep around here.
Do I need to do that?
No, well, unless you want to.
No, it is.
No thanks.
Did anybody else see the house?
Yes. Is this on that? Oh, it is.
Oh, what's so scared of these?
Yeah. Alright. You take this out. You can take it outside and shake it off. Huh?
That's littering.
Shake it outside. Ooh, all right. Oh, you're fuzzy again. What's going on here? Huh? I'll flip that back. So, yeah, Misha helped do the lights and the garland and the fluffing. And as I put the tree skirt on, she didn't really want to take part. She's a bit of a Grinch sometimes, but that's all right. I said, we all got to do something for the Christmas tree. She's like, are we decorating it tonight? I said, no, we're just setting it up. So, there. Our star is over here. We'll put it on when we decorate the tree. Papa did it last year, so I'm hoping he does it again this year because it just reminds me I can see him as a little boy at Grammy and Bumpy's house, maybe doing that or wanting to do that or whatever, but oh, there. No, I didn't vacuum out there, but that's all right. I can only do so much. There's still some Christmas stuff in here. I don't think I can muster any energy for it, but maybe tomorrow, perhaps. But there, joyous Festivus. All right, friends. My husband and Maze made some honey garlic pork. I don't have any basmati rice left. I have some jasmine rice though, 50% off. I gotta look up how to cook that again because it's not the kind of rice I usually cook. All right, I did the jasmine rice according to the directions, and there's the honey garlic pork, so it'll be ready for whenever these guys want to eat it. Oh, the camera just turned on.
Oh my god, why?
We'll shut it off.
Why does it do that?
Smaller shirt, like one that's not so thick. Just go up and get a t-shirt or
It turned on.
I'll shut it off. My phone keeps turning on. Jeepers. Somebody's playing. So all of these presents over here are ones May's got from his bazaar from the school. For the family, these are ones that are going outside of the house to other people's families or houses that still need to be wrapped. Well, some of them do, some of them don't. So, yeah. Maze has a hockey practice. I'm not going. My husband's going to take him. Maze, your gangas are there on the piano bench.
Okay.
And, yeah. Anyways, I just think that looks so pretty. So pretty, pretty. Out of the house, out of the house. Maze has gone to hockey. They're picking up another hockey mate of his that needed a ride. I said, drive super slow. The temperature is actually above freezing now, so. My back. Oh, my back. I have been searching high and low. I got my sister a DVD, season 1 and season 2 of Fame. One of them, I'm sure I have it here, but I can't friggin' find it. You guys remember that old show, Fame? Anyways, I'm hoping I'll stumble across it. What? It's not for you, Mish. Anyways, I just wanted to get a little bit more done and sit by the Christmas tree because it's so lovely, lovely. All right, it seems like it's 8 o'clock at night. It's not, it's only 5:46. Misha's at the bottom of the steps sorting those books and bags and over there. Anyways, I want to sweep the steps. I'll probably do it tomorrow though so I can give it a good proper clean. Looking for that dang DVD, but hopefully we'll come across it at some point. These bad boys, roller skates I had bought at Frenchie's years ago. I think it was when I first started YouTube. They need new laces because they're all frayed and everything. But yeah, and they're good ones. Cobra, I don't know, different brands, but they roll really good. They're not kid ones, they're real ones. So anyways, I have to go to town tomorrow. Boris is getting his hair done, so while he's at his appointment, I'm going to do a few errands. Hopefully try to finish off most of my stuff. And if I go to the dollar store, they might have shoelaces there. I hope so, I would assume. I don't know, but we're going to see. Whew, but, oh, I finished this book. December Park. I told you I started that. It's a horror, and it is horror. But at the end of it, I almost cried. It's just it's a coming-of-age story. And, like with a group of kids. I forget if I told you I finished that. Just the end of it. You know, the innocence lost and how friends grow apart as they get older, and it's like, oh my god, remember the magic of young friendship, best friends and adventures, and you know, before you grow up and you know have to forget all the magic of that. You don't have to, but that's often happens until you're older, then you realize the magic that you did have, if that makes any sense. Anyways, Misha's over doing that. Messiah is just getting back with Boris. It's dark out though. I don't let her go up the road outside. Did he do anything?
No.
Did he have a pee?
Yeah.
Oh, look. Oh, would you like a treat? There you go, son. I get another one.
What's it?
Well, hey friends, it's Tracy from another day. I want to say allergies. I don't know what it is, but my eyes were all puffy this morning. I'm still congested. I'm technically off antibiotics and stuff now, but I still have something. But I do have a doctor's appointment lined up. But that was a fun day. I did a lot. I was just getting back on track. But it was just a good snow day. We did Christmassy things. Assembled the tree. We didn't decorate. Wrapped some presents. And it was nice as enough. Later on, Maze could go to hockey practice. And, yeah, it was just all around pretty good day. I was zonked at the end of it, that's for sure, but it was worth it. I felt like so behind when it came to Christmas stuff. I'm not putting up all my stuff I usually do this year. I just do not have it in me. But I'm taking it day by day and getting a little bit done one bit at a time, and it's all good. But anyways, I wanted to put an ending on this video while Maze is at hockey practice now. My husband took him. Hockey game, actually. But I'm going to say peace, love, and happiness today and every single day. Please like, share, and subscribe if you so choose, but if not, that's okay too. I still love ya. I still want all the happiness in the world for each and every one of you out there. I certainly do. I really, really honest and truly do. Yes, I do. So, okay, guys, with that, I'm going to say have a good night or have a good morning, and I will. See you tomorrow. Bye. Boink.